Umugavana we county ya Kisii Musike James Ongwae niganyara komera naba manyi nabo igo bali kurigereria igoro yeme chigokina elikonyara kobekemerwe buryo omucho bosongo gochigokina gochiasekerange kemo gochiasekende omulike ito wa mangana ya brand sagini sena nigekirana asomo jegoyo na gotwaliganira roboti rokobwatia
Korengana na ababwatani abange bunabogokya nigo omucho bosongo ase county ya Kisii ogenderete gokina na goikera ebirengo byokobagati yemechemene na iga Kenya ase omoyega waliganiwa na gokoreka ase amagacha manene ye county ya Kisii nigo abateneneri bomucho yega bakobwaterana na ababwatani bande abange baimerana no mugavana James Ongwae iligokwanera bene engana yogokinya ebirengo bye municipality ya Bosongo wetera omuroberi omanyekante muna Integrated Strategic Urban Development Plan ISUDP.
That the last time that Kisii, it was Kisii town then, that the last time they had a strategic urban development plan was 50 years ago.
Boards within the country, there are 62 municipalities, and the Kisii is always being used to showcase the work. And I want to put it to record that this success is there because of the personal support of His Excellency.
I just want to assure the people of Kisii that what we've done is selected a top-notch team to come and do the work.
Korengana no muteneneri bw'ababwatani ba ISUDP gati yali bagocha kurigereria iligokinya Bosongo namone chipara kubeka emerobori yogokyani okurobekana gw'echipigipigi kurigereria aye bintu bitwetana inegose environment nabo gokobwatania ewizara yendemero ase county ya Kisii ilikonyora libaga lyogokinya omochi Bosongo.
The reason why we call it Integrated Strategic Urban Development Plan is because it is a plan that encompasses all sector plans. We have the transport plan. You complain a lot about the traffic jam here. There will be a traffic or transport master plan. There will be land use master plan, environmental plan, and all the plans in different sectors.
Ongwae nigo boigaya togia serikali ya soko genderera gokinya ebirengo byobochenu chipara gati yebintu binde ebinge oboigo asate banigo goikera bonno mocho Bosongo obwata abantu gwetanya chiri buchiminye naigo oisanire koba omocho monene
abande mbali bale gotene na bale goteba nge cancer center ngateyo ndete ko batebya. I want to tell you now, we also advertised for the cancer center. Those who want to put up the cancer center have already applied. I think we should hit the ground anytime before April or May.
Omocho Bosongo nigore ase birundo bochiko bagati yemechemene nagaiga asense ya Kenya magega yomocho lyo monene we county ya Nairobi go somocho Nairobi omocho Mombasa omocho Kisumu na boigo omocho Nakuru ko reporter geta sen Ndizi TV kurugaiga asama gache county ya Kisii iretari ya Brian Sagini Isena.